Hello everyone and welcome back once again. Today it is Ford Bronco that I'm going to repaint, not this one. This is a new one that I have, just for the sake of comparison. The red one I have here at the left is the one that I will repaint today and fix. It is a car that I've built for my son. Very basic painting and suspension. But today I'm going to give this car new life. The first thing to do is to take off the base and replace this old suspension system that I was once using. Nowadays I'm using leaf spring instead of these spring wires. As you see here, I had a problem. It is an old fix. You see here this steel wire. The plastic part here broke once. So first I'm going to fix this part with some super glue and baking soda. And here's the leaf spring that I'm going to use instead of the old system that I will show you later. And I'm just trying to give it the right shape. Then I will glue it to the base. And right after installing this part in place, I will reassemble this car. I've painted the body in gold, as you see here, with some rust effects. And now let's try this car. And now it is time for a little bit of testing. Here is the old system of my springs that are actually wire spring system, and the new system is way more simple. It is one lift spring. And now a comparison between an original Matchbox Ford Bronco and my suspension base system. I had to let go on the details, of course, but for the sake of suspension, it is perfectly okay. Now let me show you some other Ford Broncos with suspension that I have on my collection. This one is a simple one without any new painting scheme, just suspension. And this one is another Ford Bronco that I've repainted in white and played a lot with my son. And probably the most detailed Ford Bronco that I have is this red one with added roof and roof rack and some other nice little details. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. Okay then, so with these images I would like to say thank you for watching this video, and I will see you soon on my next project. Please take care and bye bye.